What is that?
Oh, it's
Oh.
the VIP item. Just pretend you never saw that, okay? I'm gonna introduce this guy to you.
Take two, cause my mic was muted and then his was too large. We're doing it much
Yeah,
simpler.
1 gigabyte. More
We gotta
simpler
go
now.
fast.
You gotta go fast. Oh, actually, I did go fast. I look, you have no battery though.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, guys. Move your big fat. Wait, but we need to introduce ourselves though.
He's
Yeah, okay.
Critical Monkey. I'm
Kitty
Soldier.
VR. Great editor. Go shout him out.
You click 3 buttons you find in the bathroom. They play sounds, and then you get the stopwatch.
And then
Just
for
tracks
the
your
gun.
time. And then for the gun, it's like at the end of the maps. You gotta travel through all of them. And
Yeah.
there's like little cubes you can get from there's ore there, and there are ammo for this gun. Now we go.
And there's also a cheesy moon rock, which it's supposed to be a golden moon rock, but we call it cheesy.
Oh yeah, just take 2.
Puff.
Let's go.
Wait. Take 2.
Wait.
First recording you got. Wait, what?
Where'd he go?
You was tripping, buddy.
Let's just use this. This is faster.
Okay, let's do this.
Alright, yeah, that's just another fast way. That's not using the rocket ship.
Oh, my thingies.
You could just grab on these like objects to go up faster. We did this. This is our 3rd time now, because our recordings failed. No, it was 3rd time. Anyways, you go up here. You're right here. And then there's buttons like that. I actually got scared by that. If you're laughing, that's the spider. There's a spider in here. It's a one-shot thing. If you go right, you can have easier chance to get all the buttons. And then there's one over here. And then you get it right here. I don't need this because I already got it though. That's a fast way. If you take the right turn, you can get the stopwatch way easier. And then if you take left, it's the main path. So if you hear like laughing or something, it's probably the spider. And then there's an obby right here. They have the crystals. They have research points. There's like 2 obbies. And then it's back to normal from here.
And then,
it's the spider. The spider's bad. Go back, go back.
Oh! You think dog!
I wanna get. Yo, that wasn't my fault. The door just randomly closed. The door closed and I just killed him. Bro, the door randomly closed. I told you not to go there though. Dude.
I see him. He's right there. I might need to turn up the brightness a little. Bro, imagine you attract him like that.
Alright, he's gone.
He went behind us.
Wait, take this. Take this.
Oh yeah, okay.
Take this. Alright. There's an alien cube like this. This is an alien cube. I don't know. And then sometimes there's like brain matter. There's sometimes brain matter.
Yeah, brain matter can be scattered around.
Yeah, it can just be found randomly. This
is a room where you
is
gotta
like,
find the key.
Yeah, the key right there. You take this, and then we go over here.
Right.
And you take another right here.
Yeah, you do things here.
And you go to the bottom, right here. Oh. Where? Where?
You saw us, did he, blood?
Anyways, if you open this door, you get a key.
Cool key.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth anything. I sold the alien cube, but it didn't give me nothing. So, I don't know about this. I'm guessing it doesn't.
Yeah, you gotta send me your POV after this, thing.
Yeah. There was another bathroom we passed by. Bro, this is like pink and black and it has gold light.
Oh my god!
That opens that up. I'm guessing. Bro is behind me or something?
I gotta die.
Nah, I didn't think so.
Past him and you walked right past him and he looked at me. What was it?
I opened the door, by the way.
Thank you.
You can drop the key.
Wait, what if you can save it?
Oh! Code red!
Ah! Oh my god! Okay, come right there.
This is like a science experiment lab, I guess. Yo! You what? Guys, we will speed run. I promise.
Speedrun.
You just need this. You just need this. Oh wait, we need a moon rock. I'm making this a speed run. With the phone, and there's no audio. It is mad dark, by the way.
Oh look, bullets!
How?
Did you not know they could spawn here?
Anyways, that's what the ore drops at, like the end island. The end of these maps. Oh hell no! I'm not trying to die. He died.
Look at me, wait, look at me.
He's spawning!
I got rebooted, guys.
Yo. Bro, we got his reboot card. Since I opened it up,
Here.
we died. Right here. It's mine.
Get out!
You don't have nothing.
Get my stuff, please.
I got your drill.
Wait, can you reach? Wait, can you give me that? Thank you, lifesaver.
Alright, let's go. This area you cannot use the grappler.
Yeah, you can't use grapplers at all right now. Ooh.
Anyway, there's like a couch over here, and when you jump into it, you teleport. Wait, I'm waiting for him. Alright.
And we're here.
These are the things that drop the
Somebody
ammo.
uncode that cryptic message, by the way.
Bro, no one's doing
I
that.
low-key lost I lost my pickaxe when you ate it first shot.
Yo,
You gave me anything. You gave me any pickaxe.
we should do it until we get one. At least one ore. Let's continue.
Okay. Yeah, you're going that way. Mind you, they give you ammo for something.
Just to make sure my mic is good.
Making sure your mic's on music.
Oh, yeah, this is what it drops.
Yeah, as you guys could see earlier.
Wanna eat it.
Thing.
Alright, speed run to the top. Right there where the fans are. Let's go. I don't know.
Yo,
what's-
wait up! Wait up, wait up.
But I was just saying, I don't know what's happening to you. Alright.
It's great. Lightweight, so.
No, I fell.
Lightweight, so you can get up easily. Jump higher. You know,
Let's go. This is just like a shortcut way. It's a guide to like beat the UFO map. I'm already here, and he's. I don't know. Heiko!
What?
I'm up here.
Whew. Yeah. Shut up.
No. Yes.
I can't wait for this spring break.
Spring break?
Are
Don't
you
you
ready
mean
for
summer?
summer, bro? Yeah, summer break. No bad. Did you just fall? Oh my god, bro. You know, I'm gonna wait for you.
I gotta put an audio warning.
Yes, bro. I even need to put an audio warning. Oh my gosh.
Why? Because of my scream?
Yes. Blew my brains in the right, whenever you're like looking at the section, all the way up the, scroll all the way to the right.
Anyways, I'm
Anyways,
up here.
Yeah, anyway.
He's up here. He
Okay,
was
hold up,
struggling
the
before.
rabbit, don't go. So you just come here, grab the gun!
Yeah. There's a
And
secret
it's
path with
different
this.
thing. Yeah.
You see right
You're
here?
thinking the same thing, bro. There's another thing over there.
Right here,
And
and
over
then there's
there.
one right here.
Lucky
And-
he can get up there. I'm really.
This just
I think
means,
so.
this just says, it should appear.
Yeah.
Alright,
There's like
I need a
cryptic
second.
messages there.
Never stop
Oh.
playing, otherwise what's the point? I think it's what's the point.
So it says,
Casually
never
waiting
stop
for
playing, otherwise what's the point? As you said. I'm gonna walk in there.
That's what I think it says.
I think that's it actually.
No way! Oh wait, what? We know you miss them, we miss them too. What? Which codes are moving? It's crazy.
Big control.
Wait. Alright, guys. Since I was already up there and I probably not gonna slow this down. Wait. No. I meant I'm probably gonna speed this up since I already went up there. Cut to the music.
Come on, let's do this.
I'm back. What?
Boing.
Cut to the music again. Alright, I'm gonna just wait for Heiko. Oh yeah, Bud can't get me. El bozo. Where is he anyways? Heiko, where are you?
I don't know. Where am I?
Come up here, there's a short way to beat this. Come to here. Follow
Yeah, I
me.
know. I saw that earlier, but I didn't think it would actually. No, 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 no. I saw this earlier. I didn't know it would actually work though. Whew. Let's go right there.
We made it back again. Wait, that's cool. Alright,
What's cool?
I'm gonna go a little bit.
You went
Please!
overboard again. Ooh.
Was lagging.
Oh my god, it didn't fall all the way, but. Nope. These guys just shooting right here. But they suck at aiming.
Use the shortcut I showed you.
Yeah, yeah. Shut up. When is spring? I mean, summer break for you guys?
Bro, keep saying spring.
Shut up. When is summer break for you guys?
Anyways, that's, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, that's whatever. That's just the
Here's
gamma.
the gun again.
I'm using it again.
And that just brings you back. And you can shoot yourself. It like makes you like animated.
Yeah, yourself is cool.
If you shoot this wall, it goes crazy. Yeah. I don't know if I'm leveling up. I don't think I'm leveling up at all. Done.
Looks like those school parties. Trying out for everything at the gym. My battery's about to die. Thanks. Well,
Oh, yours
anyways,
battery's
guys,
at- We gotta go
shout
to
out
the mirror.
this peak.
We messed it up. I'm gonna be outlined. Yeah, I'm outlined.
It doesn't matter. I'm not like you.
Anyways, peace,
Anyways,
guys.
Yeah, peace. Shout out to this.
Our
kid,
next
this
video
guy.
is probably gonna be Deadly Delivery with its Golden Moon update. I think I forget.
Yeah. I did record like when I first started playing the game like with you guys, but like It's just too long. I mean, it's not too long. Like, something got corrupted in it, which it won't allow me to download it. But yeah. Well, anyway,
Yeah,
shout
that-
out to this kid. This guy is peak
The
content.
kid.
Well then.
Anyways,
Anyways, yeah. Anyways,
Bye.
this guy.
that's
bye.
gonna be it for
It for
today.
the video.
For today,
Check out
I
the-
might upload.
Check out this guy.
I might upload Deadly Delivery today. I don't know. Probably on Friday though. No, Thursday I meant.
Hey, invite me, Ning. Wait, are we gonna play
But
by
tomorrow
ourselves,
we're
or-
also checking out UGG. So it's either UGG or Deadly Delivery.
Yes.
Which one should we do?
Let's do UGG first.
Alright. We're doing UGG
Do
first.
you want to be? Do you?
Hmm?
Do you want to do with Sheva Deadly Delivery or no?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
It's funner with
Only if
3
he's
people.
not eating. Only if he's not eating.
Yeah.
Oh, he's eating. Yeah.
They're trying to make a reference to.
Bro.
Trying to make a
I didn't even
reference to
realize.
queso.
I didn't.
Anyways, that's it for the video. Bye.
Check out this kid.
Critical
Outro
and
music.
case.
Outro music.
I'm ending it.